What is the Canada Emergency Wage Subsidy (CEWS)? All you need to know. No matter you are a large or small employer in Canada, and there has been a drop in your monthly revenue due to COVID-19. Consequently, you are struggling to keep your workers, or you want to rehire the previously laid off ones. If yes, this video is precisely for you. Stay tuned to have an overview of the Canada Emergency Wage Subsidy, or in short CEWS. The spread of COVID-19 and the subsequent lockdown measures have hardly hit the Canadian businesses. To support large and small employers, the government has introduced the Canada Emergency Wage Subsidy, to enable them to rehire workers previously laid, and to keep those who are already on the payroll. This subsidy intends to prevent layoffs, and to encourage the businesses to rehire the laid-off ones. The CEWS program was initially available for 12 weeks from March 15 to June 6, 2020, which made up 3 4-week periods. It covered 75% of eligible remuneration, which an eligible employer pays to an eligible employee with a max of $847 per week. Afterward, the government extended this subsidy for additional 5 4-week periods. All rules are the same for the first 4 4-week periods from March 15 to July 4, 2020. Consequently, we can divide the CEWS program into 2 phases. A. Subsidy available till July 4, 2020. B. Subsidy between July 5 to November 21, 2020. In the first phase, those eligible employers qualified for subsidy, who have witnessed at least a 15% drop in qualifying revenue in March 2020 and 30% in April, May, and June 2020 as compared to their qualifying revenue for the corresponding periods in 2019. Or, they may take the average of January and February 2020 revenue, in some circumstances. For Phase 2, the coverage of subsidy is as under. July 5 to August 29, 85%, $960. August 30 to September 26, 75%, $847. September 27 to October 24, 65%, $734. October 25 to November 21, 45%, $508. According to the CEWS program, if an employee is on paid leave, the subsidy provides a total refund of the employer's contribution to employment insurance, Canada Pension Plan, Quebec Pension Plan, and Quebec Parental Insurance Plan. However, the employee's contribution to EI, CPP, QPP, and QPIP must continue. Besides this, the government expects the employer to make their best efforts to top up employees' salaries to bring them to pre-crisis levels. Furthermore, the employer would have to repay the subsidy along with a penalty if the employer receives the subsidy but fails to use it for wages. But which employer is eligible for the CEWS program? An employer must meet the criteria of eligible entity, which includes nearly all the businesses in Canada, excluding the public sector employers. The eligible employers are the individuals, taxable corporations, registered charities, non-profit organizations, and partnerships with each eligible partner. Viewers, are you eligible for the CEWS program? Let us know in the comments section. Moreover, subscribe to this channel, so that you don't miss any such video.